Well, hello everyone. In this lesson, we will discuss decision-making theory, which play a crucial role in business, management, and daily life. Decision-making is the process of selecting the best alternative from multiple options to achieve a specific goal. There are two main types of decision-making. First, rational decision-making. This approach follows a structured, logical process based on data, analysis, and reason. Managers and professionals often use this method to minimize risk. And two, intuitive decision making. This method relies on experience, instinct, and personal judgment rather than formal analysis. It is often used in uncertain or time-sensitive situations. The decision-making process generally consists of five key steps. 1. Identifying the problem. Understanding the issue that requires a decision. 2. Gathering information. Collecting relevant data and insight. 3. Evaluating alternatives. Comparing possible solutions and their consequences. 4. Making the decision. Selecting the best alternative based on analysis. And 5. Implementing and reviewing, applying the decision and assessing its effectiveness. There are several well-known models in decision-making theory. 1. The rational model assumes that decision makers act logically to maximize benefits. 2. The bounded rationally models suggest the human decisions are limited by information, cognitive ability, and time. And the last one, the garbage can model, emphasizes that decisions in organizations are often chaotic and influenced by multiple factors. Several factors can affect decision making, including cognitive biases, personal biases that may lead to irrational choices, and risk and uncertainty, the level of risk involved in each alternative. And the last one is time constraints, the urgency of making a decision. Effective decision making is essential for success in both personal and professional life. By understanding different types, processes, and models, individuals can improve their decision-making skills and make better choices. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.